This quadratic equation, a brief introduction of all the ways to solve the quadratic equation. That is by completing the square method, factorization method, that is middle term split method, quadratic formula method, and graphical method. And you know that standard form of quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, and c are real numbers and a not equal to 0. A is the coefficient of x square. It is called the quadratic. Is the coefficient of x. It is called the linear coefficient. And c is the constant term. So this basic information you already know. Now come to this method. Roots by completing square method. Suppose this is one example I have taken, 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. Now the main steps for completing square method is that we have to make this coefficient of x square as 1. For that, we have to divide the whole expression by 2 over here. Here it is 2. So we will divide by 2. We will get 2x square minus 5x plus 3 divided by 2 equal to 0. After breaking 2x square upon 2 minus 5x upon 2 plus 3 upon 2 equal to 0. Then this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So x square minus 2 and this 2. I have multiplied the numerator by 2 as well as denominator by 2. This is one important step. Okay. Plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. Means first step is to make the square coefficient as 1. For that you will divide by the coefficient of x square. Second step is, after doing all this, you here multiply the middle term by 2 in the numerator and as well as denominator. This is the second step. Okay. Then what you will see, x square minus 2 into 5 upon 4 into x. So this 2 we will not touch. Okay. Plus 3 upon 2 equal to 0. Because this will make you the formula for the square. Because 2ab, you know, in the middle term there comes. So 2 into 5 upon 4 into x plus 3 by 2 equal to 0. So you can see in these two that x square minus 2 into 5 upon 4 into x. So one thing is missing is that 5 upon 4 whole square is missing. Okay. So that we will add that. So x square minus 2 into 5 upon 4 into x plus 5 upon 4 whole square we will add. And this 3 by 2 and minus 5 by 4 square we will subtract. So that this expression will become same. No changes. So you just have to find out this factor. How this comes 5 upon 4. Once again I am repeating, you first divide the whole expression by the coefficient of x square and then you multiply into the middle term by 2 in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Why to the numerator and denominator? Because it will make no change. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. 5x upon 2 it will be remain as same. So this is the reason. Why we multiply by 2 only? Because we have to make the square. And in the square, a plus b whole square if there is, so middle term is plus 2ab. A minus b whole square is, then middle term is minus 2ab. So 2 is there. For that reason we are using 2. Okay. So we have reached till here. Now see, x square minus 2 into 5x upon 4 plus 5 upon 4 whole square plus 3 by 2 minus 5 upon 4 whole square equal to 0. So this 3 expression you can write as x minus 5 by 4 whole square and then plus 3 by 2 minus 25 by 16 equal to 0. So x minus 5 upon 4 whole square equal to 25 upon 16 minus 3 by 2. Take these terms to the right side. So 25 minus 24 upon 16 LCM. So 1 upon 16. Next time x minus 5 by 4 will be square root of this 1 by 16 plus minus. So x minus 5 by 4 will be plus minus 1 by 4 and then 5 by 4 come here. So 5 plus minus 1 upon 4. So taking plus 5 plus 1 by 4 is 6 by 4 and 3 by 2 taking minus 5 minus 1 is 4 by 4, that is 1. So this is all about the completing square method. Now come to the roots by middle term split. Here also a little trick over there. That is, suppose this is your question, 3x square minus 2x minus 5 equal to 0. So here a is 3, b is minus 2 and c is minus 5. So ac is, a into c is minus 15 and b is minus 2. So this ac is important, okay. By looking at AC means product of this A and C with sign, so minus 15. Now try to find those factors of minus 15 which on addition or subtraction gives minus 2. That is minus 2. That is the middle term. Okay. So basically we are multiplying these two. Okay. Getting the factors of these two, product of these two numbers such that after adding or subtracting those factors, we will get minus 2 over here. This is the logic. So you can see that 15 can be written as 5 into 3, but we want the sign also. So minus 5 and 3 will be the required factors because minus 5 and 3 will give you minus 2. And minus 5 and 3 after product it will give you minus 15. So we will write minus 2x as minus 5x plus 3x. Now you can solve 2 by 2. X common 3x minus 5 plus here 1 common 3x minus 5. So x plus 1 common and 3x minus 5 common. So x is in this case minus 1, in this case 5 upon 3. So by similar logic, this equation you can take it as a homework. Follow these steps. Once again I am repeating, you have to find out here product of 3 into 4, that is 12 plus 12 here, and b is plus 7. So factorize 12 such that its product gives plus 12 and its addition or subtraction gives plus 7. Okay, so decide what sign you have to take in that, in those factors. Okay, so you will do as homework. Next, roots by quadratic formula. That you know, quadratic formula x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So x is minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here a is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of b, b is coefficient of x and c is the constant term. So this is question, x square plus 4x minus 21 equal to 0. A is 1, b is 4, c is minus 21. So according to this formula, minus 4 plus minus 4 square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is minus 21. So 16 plus 84, that is 100. So square root is 10, so minus 4 plus minus 10 by 2. So minus 4 plus 10 will give you 6 by 2. And this minus 4 and minus 10 will give you minus 14 by 2. This further can be simplified 3. This will give you minus 7. That you will do on your own. Okay. Next is your roots by graphical method. So you have to make the graph. Suppose this is the very simplest equation I have taken. So you will calculate the values by putting x equal to 2. You will get y0. See x 2 square minus 4. So y will be 0. X minus 2 again minus 2 square, that is 4 minus 4, 0, 0. X is 0, so y will be minus 4. So 3 to 4 points you have to find out. You would plot the graph over here like this, okay, and then this graph will intersect the x-axis at how many points, that will decide the roots. So here it is intersecting at 2 and minus 2. So value of x, that is the root of x, root of this equation will be 2 and minus 2. Okay, thank you.